Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on April 8, 2018, 22 of hour, 12 of minute, and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what would be considered a classic car? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what would be considered a classic car. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what would be considered a classic car. The Antique Automobile Club of America has been around since the 1935, so surely they must know. They define classic automobiles as fine or unusual vehicles, foreign or domestic, that are between 25 and 50 years old. 50 and older means a car is officially an antique. Last update, July 2, 2017. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time.
Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.